Just for the new audience, if you're joining the video very first time, I am a construction project manager. I am managing this project for the stakeholders, and what I do on a daily basis is come to the job site, review the drawings, and make sure that the contractor is following the drawings according to what the architects and the engineers have specified to be done on this project. That is what I do. Hola! Welcome back to the channel. My channel is called The Rilwan. I blog about my investment properties and also my struggles, ups and downs with dealing with contractors and dealing with building issues that arise during the construction or renovation of my properties. And I help others renovate and develop their property. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much to the old subscribers, and thank you to the new subscribers. Please make sure to share this video, like this video, comment below if you will. Thank you so much for your support. What's going on today? I'm here to check the progress of the installation of the ductwork for the HVAC system. All the way down that way. There you got the other one. Well, this way, so it's tied to this guy. That's the one we see out that way. That's what this zone right here. And that's how they wrap the duct. There you go. Buenos dias. Good, good. All right. Today and out there. There's the trucks coming out. That side. That side. The middle one don't have nothing. But this guy's gonna shoot over here. Insulated. That's from the condensation when the temperature changes in the space. When the temperature changes in the space, so when the condensation happens, so the water of the condensation will start dripping and messing things up. So that's why they wrap it, because of the temperature change from time to time in the space. All right. So they're rolling. They're moving on. There's some of the drawings. Here's the drawings now. Drawings are over there. Check some out. Look at the drawings. Here's a drawing right here. So we got one there. There's that guy over there. We have the main trunk line right here. That is that main trunk over there. And then it branches out and goes in that space. And this is what they're showing. That's what they're doing right here, branching out. Alright. There's this space right here. There's something missing in the middle. They changed that. Looks like they moved it to another direction. Alright. Oh, no, I'm mistaken. This guy is that guy over there. There's this one over here, which is running all the way through and is going to go all the way down to this space. And down that way. It's going that way. That's what is there. Okay. Got it. So that little guy is all the way inside that wall over there. Yeah. And so this one, this 2 units here, is that one and that one over there. Alright, when we were up on the roof, they were looking to see which unit goes where in terms of the tonnage, and they were looking at the drawings. Now I have the drawings in front of me. I can tell you how they're able to tell which one goes where. So the one on top of the two levels, that one is a 3-ton unit. That's down going that way, and they have a diagram showing how they're going to run their ductworks right there. And right after that is a small unit on the roof. That's a 5-ton unit, and the biggest one is a 15-ton unit. And the 2 twins are 10-ton each. 10-ton each. So that's this guy right here. That's 10-ton, 10-ton. That big guy is 15. That one is what's that one? That one is 5-ton unit. And the one by the wall back there, all the way by the wall, by the parapet back there, that is a 7.5-ton unit. That's what they have on the drawings there. You can see it. That's how they know what is what. All right. Warren. Installation. Insulated. Installation. What's that over there? Boy. It's really cool. Oh man, they are going gangbuster in this. Alright. They laid that side up. Let's go in there. They did that part. Alright. Pretty cool. Excellent. That's for the bathrooms. For the bathroom on this side. Nice. Excellent work. So they branch out from here. They're gonna connect somehow over here. Pretty cool. Oh no, they're not connecting, that's separate. Alright. Excellent. Now we are doing the heating and cooling of the space of the building. And the guys are here loading the ductwork that is going up above me right now. I'll quickly do a quick walkthrough for you to see what's been happening here. The roof is done, so the next phase that was done is the rooftop unit that was placed on top of the roof, and now they are connecting the ductwork to the roof. what is going on right now is the branches. The main trunk is in. This is the main trunk. That two boxes over there is the duct connecting to the rooftop that is above, and this are the branches that will supply the cold and the hot air into the space. Right now it's very cold in the building, and you can see they're using the torpedo to heat up the space to get some heat in here. That's what we're doing. All right, very good, awesome. Good morning, buenos dias. It's gonna go down that way. We just got here too. Trying out some stuff. Morning, how are you? Looking good? Yeah. All right. Go ahead. I should be talking, but I'm not talking. All these guys have insulation in the inside of them. That's to help with the condensation. That's pretty cool. Nice. All right, you're fishing that through. So you can see the guys are working, they're doing the work up there. These are moving along smooth. All right. Thank you. Alright. Let's go into the kitchen. Let's go into the kitchen. And that's gonna feed this area right here. Alright. That's going, that's coming. That's coming along. Awesome. Good work. Yep. Awesome. I'm fine. It's good. I like the smoke. I like the open now. How's it going? All right. Putting the little things on it now.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we'll start piping and all that good stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I mean, the gas and the
Yeah, the gas and the power.
Okay.
Bring it
All
up.
right. That's good.
Almost.
Almost there. All right. Good job. Thank you. Very worried about this guy being exposed. Because this neighborhood, the water coil is so fast. So that one over there. Wow, I can't thank you guys enough. We are at over 500,000 views on this channel. That is awesome. Thank you so much for your support of the channel. Good. Stops. Here's a ton. All right. Bill coming today? Bill.
No.
Oh, okay.
Later on.
All right. Oh, good. Okay, I'll see you later. Thank you.
Bye, man.
All right.
Take care.
Okay.